Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable step now. Open Settings, go to Time and Language, then Language and Region. This controls app and widget language. Make sure you're signed into your Microsoft account so widgets sync across devices. Click Add a Language and select the language you want. Install the basic language features. This matters because widgets inherit the OS display language, so once you add the language here, you're preparing the system to show widgets in that language. Once done adding the language, continue by getting the full language pack and optional speech tools. Go into the language options, download the language pack, and any handwriting or speech components you need. Make sure to set the new language as the Windows display language and move it to the top of preferred languages so apps and widgets prioritize it. Also check region and speech settings so location-based widget content matches. These steps ensure widgets render translations and localized content correctly. To finish, apply the changes system-wide by signing out or restarting. This makes the new display language take effect for widgets and the taskbar. Open the Widgets panel and confirm the content language and feed preferences. Make adjustments in the widget settings if needed. If widgets still show the old language, clear widget data, sign out of your Microsoft account, then sign back in or reinstall the language pack. This troubleshooting step fixes most sync or cache issues, so widgets update to the chosen language.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.